Hi guys,
Welcome back
to our channel. So as you guys see by the title, today we're going to be unboxing two mystery boxes from
Bussin snack.
But before we do so, make sure you subscribe to our channel,
Like the video,
and share with all your friends. Since we both like snacks, I got the regular mystery box.
and I got the N-Ray box since I'm into anime.
Yes, and then we also we bought these 3 drinks at Walmart. So we
never had them before. I think this one's limited edition, the Mountain Dew Flamin' Hot.
I don't know how I feel about that, but
You like Flamin' Hot?
I know, but in a drink, it's a little weird.
It's
but
like a smoothie.
We'll give it a try.
Imagine your Cheetos in a smoothie.
That's disgusting.
Just instead of chewing, just swallow.
No. Anyway, so I will go ahead and link Bussin Snacks down below, and I'll leave their Instagram as well if you guys want to go ahead and check out their Instagram page. They do have a lot of good snacks there, and they all look really good. Okay, so the way we're gonna do it, I think I'm gonna pull one snack out at a time. We'll try it together, and then he'll pull one snack, and we'll both try it together.
Okay, you go first.
So
ladies first.
Okay, this is my
Try
first.
to be a gentleman.
How nice. Okay, so I did open these ahead of time. I swear I don't remember what was in here. Because it came with a bunch of peanuts. I basically opened it and I took out all the peanuts on top. And I left the snacks in there. I didn't really look at them. So here we go. What should I take out first? First box. They're like those
Waffle cookies.
waffle cookies.
Like they look like cookies and cream.
Yes, they look like cookies and cream.
Oh, they come in an
Ooh,
individual
so they
pack.
come individual pack. That's pretty cool. Convenient. You want to try just one of these? I'm just gonna take a bite and then you can take a bite. Ooh. They're pretty good. Now, are we also rating it?
It tastes like just the regular waffle chocolate ones with just cream and nothing too fancy.
Yeah, nothing too fancy. It tastes the same as a regular waffle.
Alright, so my turn.
Do you want to rate it or no?
Rate it
Like 1 through 10.
I don't know. Well, it's like it's weird because it's like what we rate it on, like how you like it. Or like,
How you like it? Like I rate it, you know.
Oh, I'll say a 9. I'll rate it a 9.
You'll rate it at 9.
Yeah, I'm a big cookie guy.
Yes, that's true. He does like cookies. I'll rate this. It's actually they're pretty good, but I don't think they taste much different than a regular like what are they called?
Chocolate waffle cookies.
Like a chocolate waffle cookie. But they are good, and I rate this maybe like a 7 out of 10.
Alright, my turn. Bunch of stuff. Alright. Got some Pokemon right here. Some Pokemon. Can't really read.
They're like the waffle straws, or what is it called?
Yeah, the straws, right?
Yeah. They're like those straws. So it is like a cookie, right?
So it's like, yeah, cookie. Oh, yeah. More
Ooh,
pack.
cool. More packaging.
This is gonna be a long video.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Actually,
Looks like an Oreo stick.
it looks good. I think I like this one better than the other one.
No, I like the other one better.
Really?
Yeah.
This one tastes straight up like Oreo.
No.
Mhm.
No.
It's good.
Does not taste like Oreo.
What does it taste like? Chocolate?
Yeah. Like cereal.
Like cereal. I think I like
Like a
those
cereal
better
stick?
than the wafer,
No way. The cookie.
the cookies. I would rate it a 9 out of 10.
6. 6. Tastes like cereal. Less thick to me.
I really like that one better than the other one. Okay, moving on. I'm just grabbing the first thing that's on top. These look like cookies again. Let's see. I can't really read what it says. Let me see. There is a label on it.
Cookie.
It says petite white bourbon cookie.
Yeah, you're gonna get drunk. Bourbon. Little cookie.
So it comes in a little tray like that, and they're like bite sized. Go ahead and go. Cheers.
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 Tastes like grandma cookies.
Like what?
The grandma cookies.
Grandma cookies.
Yeah,
They're pretty good.
they're good.
They're pretty good. It does have a filling inside, but it's not like overpowering sweet. It's like the perfect amount of sweetness. So I really like it. I would rate this like a 7 out of 10.
8. Tastes like
8.
grandma cookies to me.
You like grandma cookies?
I like grandma cookies.
All right.
I believe we got the same thing.
Similar.
Similar. Potato chips.
Oh,
Wait, that one had cookies on it.
yeah. This one had cookie.
Yeah, cookie. This has potato chips. The anime on it is Demon Slayer. I recommend it. It's pretty good.
Oh, that is so cute.
Come a little small, tiny potato
Literally mini potato chips. And it comes in its own little tray.
chips. Cheers.
Cheers. Mmm.
Good.
They're good.
Salty.
They taste like
Lay's.
Lay's, but
less salty.
less salty and a little bit thicker.
Yeah.
Like, they're good.
Just need some Valentina on it.
Yeah. A hot sauce.
Yeah, hot sauce.
Yeah.
Your turn.
What would you rate it?
I'm not a big fan of Lay's or potato chips like that, so I'll give it a 7.
A 7. I think 7 too.
More with Doritos guy.
Yeah. They're pretty good though. Okay, my next thing I have is Kit Kat. Cookie Crumble Kit Kat. And it's just like that. Okay. So these Kit Kats obviously look different, and they are boxed different, and they actually look a lot smaller than a regular
Yeah,
size
it's like
Kit Kat
a-
here.
Snack size.
Yeah, like smaller but slightly thicker.
No, it's like a snack size. The one you get like little at Halloween.
Okay, well I think the packaging is definitely different. You want half of this or you
I'll
want?
take that. Fix it.
Okay. So it is cookie crumble flavor. Okay.
Smells chocolate, isn't it?
It's a little chocolatey for me.
It's good. I like it.
You like the cookie.
Yeah.
And
9. I'll give it a 9. Solid 9.
9.
Chocolatey. Nice and crunchy.
it's good. I would rate it at 5 just because it's a little sweet to me. And I'm not a big fan of sweets, but I like Kit Kats.
Well, what's wrong
And this one-
with you? 5? Really?
A 5, yeah. I think it's too sweet for me. It's sweeter than the regular ones. But it definitely recommend if you are a sweet person and like to try some new thing, definitely recommend it.
My turn.
More cookies.
More cookies. Awesome.
Are they different?
No, it's the same thing. Just it's like a 2-pack. I think like just chocolate chip cookies.
Some of these things we can't, we don't know what the brand is because it's in.
Another language.
So yeah.
Not
So
to be
just bear
offended.
with us.
That's what we here.
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
First one.
Ooh. Okay, these look like.
The cookie, the cereal with the wolf on it.
The cookies, Sarah?
Mm. There's a wolf on it.
I don't know. They look like mini chocolate chip cookies.
Yes, there are many chocolate chip cookies. They don't look like them. They
They
are
are.
many.
Mini chocolate chip cookies. Mmm.
Good.
I like these for
Nine.
sure. Like a solid
Solid
9.
Solid 9.
Solid 9. They're just like the perfect crunch, and yeah,
They're good.
they're not too sweet.
Need some milk.
I have some
Gummies.
Haribo fruity Bussin. I think that's how you say it. I got some gummies. I think everyone's seen this brand before, but I don't think I've seen the specific kind. So it does have jelly inside the gummies. Look. And there's different flavors. But I can't read that language, so I'll tell you. What? It's not English.
Oh yeah, that's not. It's like Arab or something.
You think so?
I don't know.
I don't know, but the flavors are right there in the back. I can't read it though, it's in a different language. Alright, let's go ahead and try these. They're pretty cool.
I'm gonna find some raspberry.
Probably. That's for sure mango.
Sunflowers. No, orange. The orange one. Orange.
Mhm.
I don't know how to feel about
Well,
them.
orange one.
Alright. I'll give them a 5.
I like them.
I feel like the white part of it, that's what, that little aftertaste, I don't like that.
I give this a solid 7. 7 out of 10. I like them.
And you give them a 7.
Mm?
And you give them a 7.
Yes.
I got more Demon Slayer. I believe it's a chocolate bar, crunch chocolate,
It's like the crunch.
crunky.
Ooh, it's like a
Chocolate bar.
like the Willy Wonka chocolate bar. You know how it's like
Damn, they're good. They're like solid steel.
With it.
No, I don't like it.
Ooh, it's so cute. It's like mini.
Here's a piece.
I'm gonna show what that looks like that. And they're smaller than the Hershey's pieces. And you can see the crunchy in the back. Looks like a crunch bar.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Crunch
Yeah.
bar.
Okay. And
Cheers.
cheers. Mmm.
Definitely has the same texture as a crunch bar,
Mm-hmm.
but it's more chocolatey.
Yes. I like it.
I'll give it an 8.
An 8. I'll give it a 6. 6 out of 10. It's good. It tastes like a regular Crunch Bar, I think. Some, obviously some Cheetos. The flavor, I think, is cheese and
Red pepper.
red pepper. This is chile. Oh, in the back here it says hot and sour flavor. So, I like hot Cheetos. Let's see how this tastes like. I'm excited for this actually.
It smells like regular Cheetos.
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of regular Cheetos.
Okay.
Not a big fan.
Let's try it.
They have a kick to it. Like a little faint kick.
Yeah, they're like, I just taste a lot of the like cheese, but it does have like an after
Taste.
taste, kind of like a little
Spiciness.
spicy. I like them.
Better than the regular Cheetos for me.
Yes, I think so. Better than the regular cheese. And it gives it
regular better than the regular Cheetos for me.
it has more flavor. Definitely more flavor.
Yeah.
I rate this a 9 out of 10.
8.
An 8.
Not a
It's
big
pretty
fan
good.
of Cheetos like that.
Pretty good. Like it.
I got more potato chips. Pink salt flavor. I'm gonna taste pink.
I wonder if they're actually pink. Open it, sir. Are they pink?
No, this is regular.
It's like the first thing I always do when it's new food. I always just smell it.
Good. I like them. Better than the mini potato chips for me.
I think it's good. What would you rate it?
9.
A 9. I think they taste like regular Lay's, like regular potato chips.
No, they don't.
They don't?
Not like regular Lay's. Lay's are salty.
Well,
These are
true.
not salty.
These are not salty. They're like the perfect saltiness. Right?
Mm-hmm.
I rate it like an 8 out of 10.
9.
Yeah. 8 out of 10. Okay. Next one I have, it is definitely Lay's deep ridged,
Chicken wings?
and it is
Chicken wings.
crap. I'm trying to see what it says back here. It doesn't say like the other ones do.
Pepper chicken.
Pepper chicken? Oh yeah. Okay. I guess there's like spicy chicken.
Chicken wings. Spicy hot chicken.
Spicy hot chicken wings. Lay's. Alright. Let's try it. I gotta smell it first though. I'm weak. Sorry. Okay. It's a very strong smell.
like curry.
I'm gonna grab a whole chip just to really get the flavor of it.
Smells like curry.
And that's what it looks like. Okay, ready? Cheers. You can taste the full like
Flavor?
chicken spicy concept of it. I don't like the taste very much.
It tastes like curry.
Like curry? Okay. I could taste like the chicken, but I don't think I like the spiciness combined into it. Tastes kind of different. Like a 4. 4
I'll
out
give it
of
a
10.
5. I'll give it a 5.
4 out of 10. And it gives you like an aftertaste.
First off, I got some Hello Kitty. Strawberry chewy candy.
I like Hello Kitty. So probably like these.
It's strawberry.
I still have that aftertaste.
Ooh.
Yeah. They're just cute little
Gummies.
gummies. These are mine.
No, not mine.
It reminds me of something.
The mochi. So what was it?
Mm-hmm. Like mochi ice cream without the ice cream.
Yeah.
Like the texture. They're pretty sweet.
No, really.
I
They're like a little dry because of the texture outside, but they're pretty good. I'll give it a 9. I like strawberries.
I'll give it a 7. 6.
Alright, and then we both got a drink.
Yeah.
I got an orange drink. I don't know if it's a
Show
soda
your
or
drink,
sparkling
which is pretty
water.
cool.
It's Dragon Ball Goku on it. It's sparkling water, orange flavor.
That's what it looks like. Water? Is it?
Sparkling water.
Mine is another drink. Mirinda. Vida me. Don't know what language that is. But I'm assuming it's tamarind flavor because of the way it looks. Maybe some orange flavor in it. I don't know.
This is from New York.
Really?
Oh, this one is.
This one.
Oh, Taiwan. My bad. Taiwan.
Vietnam. Okay, Vietnam. Okay, cool. Let's try it.
Got a big sparkling water.
Oh, we can both like. Smells good. I actually like this one. It's very subtle. Like you could taste the tamarind, but you also taste like a hint of orange. It's actually pretty good. I like it.
Orange.
Yeah, it tastes like orange to me, but you can try it.
That tastes like Sunkiss.
Sunkissed?
Yeah.
Ooh. Yep.
Oh, this one's good.
I like that
Oh
one.
my god.
Yeah.
This one over that. I still have the flavor of that though.
This one just tastes like orange, just flavor water. Good. I rate this like a 5 out of 10.
3.
A 3 out of 10?
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of sparkling water. So,
That one's pretty good.
9.
9 out of 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one definitely a 9 or a 10.
I don't know, because I still have this taste of this one, so.
Mm-hmm. No,
It
it's
might
like
throw me
so
off.
perfect. It's like tamarind and like orange
I don't taste
mixed
it.
together. You don't taste orange? Oh my god, so
I
good.
already had the orange, so that's
True. Well, they're both good. This one definitely, I think I rate this a 10. I would buy more.
Well,
Okay.
that's it from the book and the snack.
Before we continue, I will go ahead and, make sure to link their Instagram down below so you guys can go check them out. And also their link where you guys can go ahead and shop.
You could shop individually snacks or only mysteries.
You can. So actually, once you go into their website, it does allow you to buy individual, like, different mystery boxes. This is the smallest one they have. I believe they have a bigger one. I don't know how many snacks are in there, but this is the regular small mystery box that they have. So we're gonna go ahead and try these out. This is the Mountain Dew Flaming Hot drink. You can get this at Walmart. I'm gonna smell it first. Smells good. That's a lot.
It's a shot.
Okay, so we went ahead and just poured them into little shot glasses. The Mountain Dew drink, so we can go ahead and try it. And let's put this up later. Whoever ends up liking it later can drink the whole thing. Ready?
Cheers.
Cheers. Did you smell it? It doesn't smell bad.
It does have like a weird flavor. It does not taste like flaming hot.
It does not. It tastes like orange to me. Maybe have the orange taste from earlier.
And yeah, big gulp.
That was a big gulp. I taste a little bit of the spicy.
Yeah, the aftertaste is the spiciness.
Yes, but it's not. Doesn't have like
tastes
the
horrible.
full like flaming hot taste.
Holy.
Drink. It's horrible.
Yeah. Oh my god. What if it's been sitting down? Like
No, it's not.
Oh my god.
Okay, he took a big gulp, so he says it tastes horrible. How much would you rate it?
Oh my god.
6 out of 10.
5.
Okay, I would do 6 out of 10. I don't think there's a possible way you guys can like chug all that.
No, yeah, you can.
You can?
There's lemon in it too?
Yeah. Flaming hot with citrus.
No, yeah, even horrible.
Yeah, I don't think you could finish all that in one sitting. Okay, finally we got our Nitro Pepsi. I have the vanilla draft cola.
Got the regular one.
Actually, it does say on the can here. So there's 3 steps to it. You chill it, you pour, and then you enjoy. So I guess it's better if you pour it into a glass.
You want to switch? 'Cause I know you don't like vanilla.
I like vanilla.
No, you don't. No way, you gotta pour it hard. You gotta freaking pour it in there quick.
Oh, pour hard.
Yeah, so you get it ready with the.
Can I like open it like this? Oh my god. Mine's gonna fill up.
No, it's not.
Okay. Okay, it's done. Oh my god, that was terrible.
Never again.
I would not recommend you to buy this and drink it straight out of the can. I don't think you could. Okay, mine's still settling down. Smells good. Wow, it's like
This will be a little
half a
colder.
glass.
Yeah. Taste it.
I haven't tasted mine.
I'll taste that one first then.
It's good.
This will be a little colder.
Yeah, definitely needs to be colder. Mine is just it's
Regular?
foam.
Yeah. Foam.
Mine's just foam. Can't really taste it yet. It's still settling down. It needs to be colder for sure. But it's good. I prefer regular Pepsi over this.
Tastes like regular Pepsi.
It kind of tastes flat to me.
It's just because it's warm.
Really?
Yeah, it tastes weird 'cause it's warm.
Nitrogen infused cola. Smaller bubble, smoother taste.
It's really smooth.
Yeah, it is smooth, but yeah, don't buy it if you're gonna like drink it on the go or in the car because it would just be a whole mess. And we didn't shake it. It's been sitting in our fridge for a couple of days and it's exploded on us.
Because we didn't follow instructions.
Chill the can, pour hard,
Yeah, so you got.
and admire and enjoy. So it does take a while for the bubbles to go down. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
To drink it at home though. What would you rate yours again?
Vanilla. I'll say 7. We messed up. Should have been colder. They didn't know how to pour.
Yes,
Yeah.
you don't know how to pour it hard.
Yeah, I don't know how to pour it hard.
Overall Overall, the taste is pretty good. So 7 out of 10 too, I think. Oh, we're still missing the Mentos.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try the Mentos, which was the last item in his mystery box.
Oh, look, that's Luffy.
Oh, did you show that?
No. Yeah, that's Luffy.
Another
Oh my
anime
gosh.
character?
Yeah, One Piece. So much packaging. That's good.
Yeah, it's funny. It has so much packaging in some of these.
Look at it. Never had a Mento my whole life.
You've never had a Mento?
No. I'm not a big fan of mints.
Okay, just eat it.
You eat it? You chew on it?
Mm-hmm.
Does that go?
It's not gum. Nothing new. It's not any different. I think it's just the packaging. Mainly.
Yeah. I don't know about regular Mento. So
Pretty good.
I can't compare.
4 out of 10.
5. I'm still chewing it. It's like stuck to my teeth.
Mm-hmm. So what was your favorite snack out of you? It could be either yours or my pile. Let's see what you got over there.
It had to be the waffle cookies from you.
The waffle cookies?
Yeah.
Okay, so these were his favorite. And I think for me, this was like, I don't know, like amazing. I said Taiwan, right?
No, I said Taiwan.
Oh no. The drink from Vietnam, actually pretty good. Second place, what would be your second favorite?
The potato chips.
The potato chips? They're not regular potato chips, they're
Sea
pink
salt.
salt
Pink salt.
flavored potato chips with this little monito in the
I
front.
don't know who they are.
It's pretty good.
Your second place?
These cookies, vanilla filling, they were really good. They were bomb. What's your least favorite?
The drink.
The drink? I think.
Not a big fan of sparkling water, I would say. Cool packaging, but not
Yeah.
a fan of.
I don't think it was that bad. If you like sparkling water or just flavored water in general, this one's not that bad. My least favorite out of all of them, I think, has to be definitely the Mentos. I'm not a big fan of that strong minty flavor taste. Okay guys, so this is the end of our video. So please make sure to subscribe
Like.
and share with all your friends. We really enjoyed making this video for you guys, and I hope you guys continue to comment down below letting us know what kind of videos you'd like to see,
Any questions you guys have, don't be afraid to say hi.
yes, definitely say hi. Go ahead, I'll link everything down below, our Instagrams, all of our social medias. You guys can go follow us and hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos.
Goodbye.
Bye guys.